Okay guys, we're on the second setup. About to pick it right up off of there. Drop it in the hole. Set it in the hole.